Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Subaru Outback radio, easy method. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery cable to prevent shorts. Remove the trim around the radio using a plastic panel tool, working gently along each edge to release clips. Keep screws and clips organized in a small tray so reassembly is fast and painless for anyone following along. Carefully pry the dash trim starting at the left corner so clips release without stress, and use consistent, gentle pressure across the panel. If a clip resists, stop and look for hidden screws behind vents or trim pieces instead of forcing the panel. Place each screw and clip into a small labeled container so you won't lose them, and keep a soft cloth under parts to protect painted surfaces while you work. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful car tutorials. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that seal tight and stack neatly, perfect for building lunches while you work on the car. They save cleanup time and prevent spills in the garage, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. After trim removal, unscrew the radio mounting bolts using the correct socket size and support the radio as you pull it forward. Carefully unplug the antenna and any wiring harnesses by releasing their locking tabs, and avoid tugging on wires directly. If your radio has a chassis bracket, remove it and then lift the unit free, keeping connectors organized and labeled so reinstalling the radio is quick and error-free for beginners and experienced diehers alike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.